If you've got freeze response that isn't flat, you've got yourself something wrong, and you've got controls for that. That's why you have graphic equalizers and stuff, but you shouldn't be going for it.
This is the Maxell XV90, and if you see, this is a freeze response sweep. This is done at 0 dB, and you can see there's a hell of a drop, and then you've got that sort of bit at the bottom which goes across. Now, in a second, I'm going to show you the one that was done at -20. This one was done at -20, and it's as good as an illustration as any as to why they do all these things at -20. That's got a pretty good flat freeze response up to about 15K, then it tails off a bit, but compare that to the original one at 0 dB, and you can see there is no comparison. And before anybody says, oh, it should have been done on a decent deck, the results have been different between the tapes, even if consistent in shape. So it's not the deck that's cutting off the response, it's the tapes. So looking at these charts, you can see here that there's a difference between the Maxell and that one, which is the Fuji, which I just did the other day. And you can see that the Maxell is a little bit noisier, a little bit cruder than the Fuji. That's why I described the Fuji as just beautiful. The levels are different, so that's all down to mol and stuff like that. But you wouldn't get that from the charts, and you wouldn't know that from the packaging. The relevance with my charts is that they've all been done at the same level, so you are actually comparing like to like and seeing what the differences are.